This is Grace Power with myGoldSugar, and today I'm going to be doing some demonstration on how to sugar at home. So to get started, you're going to need some supplies, and the most important thing is going to be your sugar. It comes in different size jars, so if you're doing big areas, make sure to get more sugar. And it also you might find it helpful to have gloves. It's not necessary to wear gloves, but sometimes having a tight fitted, thicker glove like what we offer helps control the sugar and keep your hand heat from melting the sugar. You also need some prep spray just to prepare the skin, make sure that there's no lotions, oils, deodorants, sweat. The skin needs to be clean and dry. To help it be extra dry, you can apply a little bit of powder. The powder also protects the skin, especially in sensitive areas like your upper lip, your brows, your underarms, bikini line, those kinds of things. And then it also you might find helpful to have some sticks. If you don't want to apply it with your hand, you can apply it with sticks. And the sticks come in different sizes. There's even little tiny ones for shaping your eyebrows. You also will probably want some strips, something like this, or you can cut up old sheets and use the strips to remove the sugar if it gets stuck or if you want to use the strip method. To make it easy on you, we have compiled some little kits together that have everything you're going to need all in one spot. We do have a starter kit that's a little bit smaller. This would be great if you're doing lip, chin, eyebrows, underarms, little small areas. But if you are going to attempt doing your full legs, your arms, someone's back or chest, you're going to want to use get the bigger kit if you want to get all the supplies. You can order everything separate too, if you prefer that. But having the kit has sticks, strips, gauze, the gauze squares, everything that you're going to need. Now, some additional supplies that you probably have at home but that you'll find handy. One thing is a headband. That way if you're doing your eyebrows or parts of your face, all your hair is pulled back and not going to get inside the sugar. And you also will probably find a need for some cosmetic scissors, whether it's just cutting the strips to size, or if you're doing your brows and want to shape your brows a little bit, or if your hair is extra long, you'll probably want to trim down the hair just so it's not super long and a lot of pulling. You also probably want to get some tweezers because every once in a while there's a really short hair, and when you see it, you might as well tweeze it up if the sugar's not picking it up. So that would be everything you're going to need to get started with sugaring at home. Everything is available at bedazzle.com, all of the myGoldSugar brand products. So that's VADAZZLE.com. I'll also put the link below this video.